us seniors, we really are one of our goals or like responsibilities is really to guide the younger players, especially the rookies. You know, number one, of course, to welcome them, make them feel at home, especially those provincial players who sacrifice a lot just to play for UP. Oh, any final words or thoughts you'd like to share to the UP community? Syempre, number one is thank you for accepting me and to the team, so to my coaches. Thank you for the trust. To the UP community, thank you so much for your help, never-ending support. Bawal copy paste na.
So, to the UP community, thank you.